हाय किड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी विथ लव्यांश। आज हम एनिमल्स के साथ अल्फ़ाबेट सीखेंगे। A for ant, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fox, G for giraffe, H for horse, T for impala, J for jellyfish, K for koala, L for lion, M for mouse, N for nutria, O for owl, P for penguin, Q for quill, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for turtle, U for unicorn, V for vicuna, W for wolf, X for X-ray fish, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.